Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello guys, I have a garbage disposal here which is not working. When I turn it on, it just makes a humming sound, and which tells me that the motor is stuck. You know, there is a wheel inside, there's a circular wheel, circular plate. It moves, it rotates, but it does not rotate. So it just makes a humming sound. So first thing I did is, there is a reset button here, which I pressed, the reset button, and it didn't help. Okay. This is, by the way, a Moen Prep series, half horsepower, the garbage disposal that I had bought from Home Depot. So then what I did, I looked at I got a flashlight and I removed the cover and I looked inside and I found that it had a screw. See this screw here? This is screw. It had a screw sitting on top. It was not lodged in any hole, so that would not have caused any problem, but this probably caused the problem, and then it's just sitting on the top. So what I did, I got a tongue, okay, and I with the tongue I inserted it here, and I grabbed the screw and I took it out. So the screw is out, but still it's not working. So I got a broom. It's a very good tool. See the handle of the broom, I put it here and I try to turn it, and it turns a little bit, okay, and then now I start the water and I turn the switch. It's working. Okay. So this is how I fixed my garbage disposal. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.